sets are described, you are tell us which members is the set talking about. Number 1. Set K equals multiples of 4 between 20 and 50. This multiplication table uses that idea. You are going to write down the multiples of 4, then you select those ones which are between 20 and 50. Remember we said consider this word between. It is not from, to. It's just between. You just give us numbers which are between these two, 20 and 50. Yes, let's look at number 2. Set L equals factors of 27. We said a factor is a number that can divide another number exactly. So write down numbers that can divide 27 exactly. Use the other method we used in primary 5. We're looking for the factor. So if you got all those factors, will be the members of set L. Do not forget to put those factors in the curly brackets. You come to number 3, saying set M equals to prime numbers less than 2. Remember, 2 is the first prime number, and now they are telling you less than 2. Which set is that? Think. You come to number 4. Set W equal to common factors of 10 and 25. Remember in number 2, set L, we are not talking about common factors because the number given is just 127. It will be with its own factors. But if you come to set W, there are two numbers. 10 has factors, also 25. Then 25 has its own factors. Then observe which factors are in 10 again are seen in 20 as factors of 25. They will be the common factors. Those common factors are the members of set W. You come to set number 5. Set A is set A equal to square numbers from, not between, from 9 to 100. Square numbers from 9 up to 100. This time around, you will include 9 is a square number. 100 is also a square number. Then include other numbers. When we say between, we do not include this and this, but we are not saying between, we are saying from. You start with this and you end with the other one up to 100. Remember we said you will get those square numbers using the other example. You get counting numbers, square them. Get counting numbers, square those counting numbers. Then you will see from 9, the square number from 9. Then after squaring those counting numbers, you will leave which are behind 9, and you will leave with that number that can go beyond 100. We only need square numbers from 9 and 100. Remember, 9 is a square number. 100 is also a square number. Come to number 6. Set B, counting numbers between 11 and 21. Remember we said the first, when you are counting your friends, you are in a class, you cannot begin with Mukasa and you say, Mukasa, your number 0. When you are counting 0, 1, 2, never. When counting, we begin with 1. So Mukasa will be number 1, 2. Counting. When we are counting, we begin with 1. Numbers we use while counting are the counting numbers. So the first counting number is 1. I told you the first prime number is 2. Then the first counting number is 1. Counting numbers, so we are going to give us counting numbers between 11 and 21. 21. When we say between, you are not going to include that 11 and 21. Come to number 7. Number 7 is stating that whole numbers less than 7. Oh, look at this. Here we have counting numbers and here whole numbers. Remember, the first counting number is 1, but the first whole number is a 0. So when you are writing the whole numbers, beginning with the first whole number, always begin with a 0. You get it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. You'll be like you are writing counting numbers, but the difference is here you are beginning with a 0, here you begin with a 1. Now, prime numbers. We've already seen the prime numbers. Set P are prime numbers less than 16. Prime numbers less than 16. We said the prime numbers are those numbers with only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Good. 2 factors, 1 and itself. What causes that? This is because there is no number that can divide a prime number apart from the number itself. There is no number that can go into that number apart from that very number. And it goes once. It goes once. Like a 5 divided by 5. Just 1. Meaning the factors is 1 and itself to get the 2 factors. The number and the 1. The number of times it goes into itself is 1. That is one we say. That is why we are saying 1 and itself. To get 2 factors. You come to set 2. Set 2 is the first 10 composite numbers. The composite numbers, these ones are opposite of the prime numbers. Apart from a 1. Now, all numbers that have more than 2 factors. What I'm trying to mean, there is a number that can go into them. Any number having a number that can, another number that can divide it, it is a composite number. Like a number 4, 2 can go into 4. 4 is a composite number. 6, 3 can go into 6. Even 2 can go into 6. 6 has become a composite number. Then prime numbers, no number can go into them. So set 2, the first 10 composite numbers. Numbers with more than 2 factors. 10 of them. After observing them, will be the members of set 2. So now, try to work out this activity and you send that work for marking. Contact us using that number scrolling on your screen. Do not forget to visit YouTube for e-learning teachers project Uganda, Facebook, WhatsApp, and the like. Thank you for enjoying our lesson. Prepare for the next lesson next time.